Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Open OBS and add a window capture source right now. You want the exact app window selected, not a monitor. Once done, check the capture method dropdown. OBS often defaults to automatic. Switch attention to that setting because it controls how Windows renders borders into the frame. Make sure OBS and the target app are on the same GPU if you have multiple GPUs. This initial alignment prevents the OS from drawing focus outlines that become a yellow border in your capture. Now experiment with capture method choices. If automatic or Windows graphics capture shows a yellow outline, switch to bit BLT. It captures pixels without some OS decorations. Conversely, some modern UWP apps capture best with Windows graphics capture. Test both. Once done, toggle capture cursor to see if the highlight is cursor-related and try the exclusion box if available. Make sure to stop and restart the source after each change so OBS recreates the capture pipeline. Finish by locking the source and doing a short local recording to verify no yellow outline remains. If switching methods didn't help, switch source type. Game capture can hook exclusive full-screen apps. Display capture captures the whole screen as a last resort. Once done, make sure any overlays, Windows Game Bar, GPU OST, or screen highlighting utilities are disabled because those draw on top of the window and appear in captures. If you still see a border, restart OBS and the target app, then retest.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.